Look at that. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is prepare my Dutch oven with baking spray. And then I'm gonna sprinkle it with cornmeal. I'm gonna sprinkle some cornmeal in the pan. Get it on the sides really well. Okay, I lightly coated my Dutch oven with cooking spray and then I lightly dusted it with some cornmeal. That's gonna give us our crunchy crust. It's gonna be so delicious. Okay guys, these ingredients are super simple and there's only 3 ingredients. Actually 4 if you include water. 5 cups of flour, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of instant rapid rise yeast. 2 2/3 cup of cool water. And that's it, our simple ingredients. 3 ingredients, actually 4, including water. Let's get started. Okay, I got my great big bread bowl ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my 5 cups of bread flour. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my yeast. I'm gonna add my salt. I'm gonna add my 2 2/3 cups of cool water, and now I'm gonna mix it all together. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all together. What I love about making this bread is it's hardly any mess at all. You don't have to knead it. It's just so easy and the ingredients are so simple and it tastes delicious. Okay, I'm mixing my dough. It's very sticky, which is good. That's what we're going for, sticky dough. Okay guys, I've combined my ingredients. It's nice and sticky, just how we want it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cover my bowl. And then I'm gonna take my bowl and put it in a cool room. It's about 68 to 70 degrees in it, okay? And we're gonna let this rest for 10 to 12 hours. So I'll get back to you tomorrow with the risen bread. All right guys, see you soon. Okay, 10 hours later, here's our dough. See how it's risen quite a bit? Very bubbly. Now what I'm gonna be doing is punching it down and getting it out and putting it in my crock pot. Okay, I'm gonna stir this dough down and then I'm gonna scoop it into my prepared crock, like so. Add the lid and let the dough rest and expand for 1.5 to 2 hours at a cool room temperature. Peek at the dough and it should be very bubbly. If it's not noticeably bubbly, just give it a little more time. Okay, we're gonna take a peek at the dough and it should be very bubbly. Let's take a look. Okay, we can tell that it is rising, but it needs to be more bubbly. So we're gonna let it go a little longer. It's been an hour so far. Toward the end of our rising time, we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 450 degrees. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and check our bread. Oh, it definitely has risen quite a bit. And we can see that it's got quite a few air bubbles in it. So it's time to go into the oven. Okay, we're gonna be baking this in a preheated 450 degree oven for 45 minutes. At the end of 45 minutes, we're gonna remove the lid and bake for an additional 5 to 10 minutes until we have a crusty golden brown crust. Okay, now we're gonna remove the lid and cook for 5 to 10 more minutes until the crust is golden brown. Put it back in the oven for 5 to 10 more minutes. Okay, let's check our bread. It's been about 5 minutes. Oh my goodness, perfect. Okay guys, it's time to get this bread out of the oven. Turn our bread out onto this cooling rack and let it cool completely. And hopefully it comes out easy. I feel like it's going to. This bread looks amazing. I cannot wait to cut into this. And think, guys, just 3 ingredients, 4 if you include water. Just look how delicious that bread looks. A few more minutes of cooling and we're gonna cut into it. Okay everybody, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's slice into this beautiful loaf of bread. Delicious. Crunchy on the outside. Look at that delicious, beautiful bread. Look at that crust. Yes. Still steamy. Delicious. So delicious, you guys. Okay everybody, that's the end of this video for my absolutely no-knead, crusty, chewy bread recipe with only 3 ingredients.